If ChatGPT and Google Sheets had a data scientist baby, it'd be Hex. But is this AI powered analytics platform actually useful or just another shiny tool you'll try once and forget? Hex combines live code notebooks, drag and drop dashboards, and AI that writes your queries for you. It's perfect for teams juggling Python, SQL, and slide decks all in one day. You can literally ask the AI to explore your data, and it generates visuals, summaries, and even deeper insights. The real star here is collaboration. You and your team can write code, comment, edit, and present all in one cloud based notebook. It's like Notion and Jupyter Notebook had a supercharged upgrade. But fair warning, Hex isn't built for total beginners. It's intuitive but still assumes you know your way around basic data workflows. So if your team is tired of bouncing between BI tools, dashboards, and version control messes, Hex is 100% worth a look. And that's how you decide if Hex AI is actually worth using. If you found this tutorial helpful, like and subscribe to How to Literally for more.